Hey students, it's Mr. Fleece here, and today I'm going to show you how to mix your tints and shades like this for your color theory project. Let's get in it. Woo! How to set up your palette and mix your colors. First, you're going to choose one color to start with. I'm starting with orange, so I'm just using a pure orange like so. To mix a tint of orange, I am going to need a little bit of white, and then I'm going to need just a drop of the color I'm making a tint. Stir those together. Now I have a tint of orange, a light orange. Let's say I want to make multiple tints. I start with my light, then I'm gonna grab some more orange and stir it into my tint to make it a bit darker so I can have a middle color. So I've got my light, my medium, and my dark. To mix a shade, I need to start with a clean brush. So I'm gonna go wash my brush out. I rinse my brush and I'm gonna make sure to dry it off so it helps to have a paper towel. When you're using Tempera paint, you really wanna use a dry brush. Now I need to make my shade of orange. So I'm gonna go to my color mixing guide. I'm gonna take a look at orange. Orange. To shade, I need to use red. So if I go to my color wheel, you're gonna see that red is the dark hue next to orange. Yellow is much lighter, so I'm adding red because it's the darker hue. Grab a little red and stir it into my orange. And now I have a nice dark orange, almost a scarlet color. And that is how you mix tints and shades of orange. Now I want to show you how to mix a tint and shade of blue next, because blue we're going to use black to shade. Anytime we change colors, we got to clean our brush and towel it dry. I'm going to start with my blue hue first. Ooh, that's nice. It's a nice blue. Then I'm going to mix my tint. It only takes a drop of blue to tint white, just a teeny drop. Now I've got a nice tint. And now I'm going to mix my shade, but I got to wash my brush again. Dry my brush off. Now let's say I want to mix multiple shades, like I made multiple tints. I'm going to take and grab just a tiny amount of black, just a little bit, and stir into my blue. Just that little bit of black darken my blue quite a bit. Then I can grab a little bit more black and stir it in. And notice how my shades get darker and darker as I work my way up. So that is how you mix tints and shades for your project.